All right, it's starting to go into like its faster spin mode. My washing machine would not even switch from wash to rinse to spin, and it would make this clicking noise. It wouldn't switch over to the next job, quote unquote. And then it would give the LE code on my control panel, and it would blow out the control panel. So, like, this thing has been taken apart like a ton in the last 2 months. And the last time I came across the videos indicating that it's probably the rotor position sensor, which is $30 something, and it seemed to fix it. But if it gives you an LE code, you'll have to buy yourself a control panel so that once you change the sensor, you can put in the new control panel so it will start up. But honestly, don't throw your washing machine away. If your washing machine is clicking in between stages of your washing cycle, try the $30 something rotor sensor, position sensor.